Hi friends, 5 minute chart, 80-minute chart, 30-minute chart, 1 hour chart, 4 hour chart uptrend market. One-day chart, the uptrend market. Total balance $2044.5 $1 $10,000 profit up to today. No losses. Today profit $618 profit today. No losses. Live trading, AKLX trading. No commission, fully profit trade, no losses. Then active gold trade. Buy 2.25 lot. On week profit loss total $2065.85 total profit 1 week. Forex convenience. High-end business is ZTY. High-end business marketplace 22nd of 21 November marketplace 22 Monday market open. High-end business age not high-end business. Following business or news. One chart, 50-minute chart at Xauusd call. On this one.